Hi there, so today I am on a foodie adventure in Columbus, Indiana, and I am trying Oleysa's Kitchen. It's the only Ukrainian restaurant in the state of Indiana, and like I said, it's located here in Columbus. If you're looking for other things to do in Columbus, I did a day trip a couple years ago. I'll link that video in the description box below, but I'm going to take you along with me as we try some new food. For my main dish, I decided to get the Ukrainian national clay pot. That's not exactly what the dish is, that's just what it's served in. But it comes out in this gorgeous little clay pot, which is how stews and soups are served in Ukraine. It's topped with a beautiful piece of bread, and just look at that intricate design. The meal itself is full of roasted potatoes, carrots, and chunks of pork. It's then cooked in this clay pot and long stewed in the oven, and like I said before, it's topped with a piece of bread. This was very warm, the spices were absolutely delicious, it felt like a comfort food, and I had enough for leftovers. They brought out the dumplings that I ordered. I just got the potato-filled dumplings, but they were absolutely delicious. It reminded me a lot of a pierogi, and I would guess that it's similar influence since Poland and Ukraine are very close to each other. These were just filled with a mashed potato type filling. They were topped with dill, very warm. The actual dumpling part was chewy, and then they were served with a side of sour cream. Some fun facts about Oleysa's Kitchen. It is the only Ukrainian restaurant in the entire state of Indiana. They make everything from scratch, and the owner moved here to Indiana from Ukraine 22 years ago. She started out in farmers markets and then began cooking out of her garage, and then opened a brick and mortar in 2018. This is actually the second location for the restaurant. They relocated after their property was purchased by Cummins, which is a local manufacturing company. And something really fun at the restaurant is she teaches cooking classes out of it, including how to make these delicious dumplings. I enjoyed everything that I ate today, especially this stew. I can't wait to have my leftovers, and I also want to come back because there's a lot of stuff on the menu that I didn't have room to try, so I want to just come back and see what else they have. Oleysa's Kitchen is about 35 to 40 minutes south of Indianapolis and a little over an hour from Louisville if you're in Kentucky, so it's definitely worth a day trip. I hope that you've enjoyed this video and following along with my foodie adventure, and I will see you in the next one.